Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to another episode of Insightful Inspiration. Today, let's delve into the world of fruits that not only brighten up your mornings, but also play a crucial role in keeping your kidneys healthy and happy. Get ready as we explore three top fruits that are like a refreshing tonic for your kidneys. And stay tuned because I'll also be sharing a supplementary list of fruits that are absolute must-haves for your kidneys' well-being. Trust me, it's going to be worth your while. Our kidneys are the unsung heroes of our body, working nonstop to rid our bodies of waste and toxins. Our morning decisions have a big influence on their productivity and well-being. Let's take a moment to highlight three fruits that will provide your kidneys some much-needed love and flavor as well as sustenance before we go into a delicious recipe for a kidney detox drink. First up on our list is the mighty pomegranate, a true gem when it comes to kidney health. Pomegranates are loaded with powerful antioxidants such as punicalagin and ellagic acid, which are warriors against oxidative stress, a major culprit behind kidney damage and inflammation. By incorporating pomegranates into your diet, you're not only reducing the risk of kidney disease, but also aiding in the preservation of healthy blood vessels, thanks to their ability to boost nitric oxide levels. Now, while pomegranates are rich in potassium, a nutrient beneficial for kidney health, it's important to consume them in moderation, especially if you have existing kidney issues. Whether you sprinkle their jewel-like seeds over your morning cereal, stir them into yogurt, blend them into a refreshing smoothie, or enjoy them straight from the fruit, pomegranates bring a delightful balance of acidity and sweetness that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also nourishes your kidneys with a plethora of essential nutrients. But hold on, people. More excellent things are on the way. Watch out for an amazing selection of other fruits that are guaranteed to please your kidneys, as well as a unique recipe for a kidney detox juice that incorporates our favorite fruits. Therefore, let's start the day off well by showing our kidneys the respect and care they so richly deserve. Watch this space for more insights and health advice on Insightful Inspiration. Now let's explore some other fruits that are essential for keeping your kidneys healthy. Coming in at second place are the tiny yet mighty blueberries, packed with vital nutrients. These little blue gems are bursting with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which fight off harmful free radicals that can damage our cells. Including blueberries in your diet helps reduce oxidative stress, which is crucial for decreasing inflammation and related health issues. They're also rich in manganese, which supports enzyme activity, and vitamin C, which boosts immunity. Together, these nutrients provide protection against health risks and help lower inflammation, a significant opponent of kidney problems. Additionally, their high fiber content helps ease the strain on your kidneys while promoting blood sugar regulation, controlling cholesterol, and supporting digestive health. Starting your day with these potent berries is a fantastic choice. You can add them to smoothies, mix them into muesli, or sprinkle them over porridge. And let's not forget about indulging in some delicious blueberry pancakes for a kidney-friendly breakfast option. Next up, we have the mighty apple, ranking third on our list. This simple fruit is a true ally for your kidneys, doing more than just keeping illnesses at bay. High in fiber, apples help your kidneys by assisting in waste removal, making their job a bit easier. What sets apples apart is their unique fiber called pectin, known for its cholesterol-lowering properties. Maintaining normal cholesterol levels is crucial for kidney health, as it helps prevent potential issues. Apples also boast anti-inflammatory qualities and have a low potassium concentration, making them great allies against kidney problems. Additionally, their low glycemic index makes them a delightful treat for those with diabetes. It's easy to incorporate apples into your breakfast routine. Slice them up and add them to yogurt or muesli, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie. Let's start with papaya. Papaya isn't just sweet, it's also super healthy, especially for your kidneys. Rich in papaverine, it's great at reducing inflammation, which is important for kidney health. Plus, papayas are packed with fiber, vitamin C, and folate, all of which are essential nutrients. Vitamin A and C act as antioxidants, protecting your kidney cells from damage. Folic acid, by producing glutathione, a powerful antioxidant, and reducing harmful homocysteine levels, supports kidney function. Adding papaya to your diet not only pleases your taste buds, but also strengthens your body's defenses against kidney and heart diseases. It's a delicious way to boost kidney health and overall well-being. Let's talk about grapes now. Red, green, or black grapes all work incredibly well to support kidney health and cleanse your body. Their high water content is essential for renal function and waste elimination. Strong antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and shield your kidneys from harm include resveratrol and the flavonoids found in grapes. Grapes' potassium concentration encourages the creation of urine, which aids in detoxifying as well. In addition, they assist in lowering oxalate levels, which lowers the danger of kidney stones, while potassium and polyphenols assist in blood pressure regulation. According to studies, grape antioxidants protect the kidneys, which helps to preserve the health of the urinary system. You can eat grapes fresh, dried, or in juice form. They're a pleasant and kidney-friendly choice. Let's move on to our third fruit, cranberries. These little red berries are not only delicious but also essential for kidney health and overall bodily cleansing. They offer some unique qualities that make them an excellent choice for supporting your kidneys. One of the key components in cranberries is proanthocyanidins, which help prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, thus reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. Additionally, cranberries contain citric acid, which helps prevent minerals from forming clumps and reduces the likelihood of kidney stones. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, cranberries also help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can lighten the load on your kidneys. Their polyphenols and flavonoids have anti-inflammatory properties that support waste removal by promoting urine production. The potassium in cranberries aids in blood pressure regulation, crucial for optimal kidney function. Moreover, cranberries help maintain a healthy balance of intestinal flora, promoting overall well-being. With their potent vitamin C content, they also strengthen immunity and protect against kidney infections. Adding cranberries to your meals is a flavorful way to support your kidneys and overall health. Let's talk about pineapple now, which is our fourth fruit. Pineapple is a delicious fruit that is also very good for kidney cleansing because of its vivid yellow color and luscious sweetness. It contains bromelain, an enzyme with potent anti-inflammatory qualities that can help lower kidney edema and improve general health. The high vitamin C content in pineapples helps to protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and strengthens your immunity. Because of its high water content, which promotes healthy kidney function and hydration, it helps remove toxins. Pineapple also has fiber to aid with digestion and manganese, which is vital for healthy kidneys. Pineapple contains potassium, but it's safe for people with kidney problems to control their potassium intake. If you want to support and detoxify yourself, then including pineapple in your diet is a smart move. Let's now talk about the fifth fruit, cherries. Incorporating cherries into your diet is a fantastic way to support kidney health. Acting as natural cleansers, cherries help swiftly eliminate toxins and waste from your body. Packed with antioxidants like flavonoids and anthocyanins, cherries protect your kidneys from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Moreover, these antioxidants possess anti-inflammatory properties, reducing swelling and alleviating the strain on your kidneys, thereby enhancing their efficiency. The potassium content in cherries is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and fluid balance, all vital components of optimal kidney function. Recent research, including a 2012 study published in Arthritis and Rheumatism, has highlighted cherries' ability to lower uric acid levels in the body. This is significant as elevated uric acid levels are linked to kidney stone formation and can exacerbate conditions such as gout. Furthermore, evidence suggests that the anthocyanins found in cherries may offer protection against chronic kidney disease, underscoring the numerous benefits cherries provide for kidney health. Not only are cherries sweet and delicious, but including them in your diet is also a delightful and wise way to support your kidneys. Moving on to the sixth fruit, strawberries. These juicy berries are not only a treat for your taste buds, but also beneficial for your kidneys. Loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and polyphenols, strawberries shield your kidneys from oxidative damage. They also promote kidney cleansing by increasing urine output. Vitamin C in strawberries plays a dual role, not only acting as an antioxidant, but also promoting the formation of collagen, which enhances kidney function and structure. Additionally, ellagic acid, present in strawberries, possesses potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, further safeguarding the kidneys from inflammation and other issues. Including strawberries in your diet is a wise move for the health of your kidneys. Let's now discuss the seventh fruit, pomegranates. Often hailed as a superfood, pomegranates are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support kidney health. Their delightful nectar and ruby crimson seeds offer numerous health benefits. Rich in powerful antioxidants like ellagic acid, pomegranates help combat harmful free radicals and protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. The polyphenols found in pomegranates also aid kidney function by reducing inflammation and supporting normal blood circulation, which is crucial for efficient waste filtration. By incorporating pomegranates into your diet, you can enhance kidney health while enjoying their flavorful taste. Next up is watermelon, which is the eighth fruit. This beloved summertime beverage not only quenches your thirst, but also contributes significantly to renal health. Watermelon's remarkable 92% water content aids in maintaining proper hydration, which is necessary for kidney function. Because of its high water content, the body can eliminate toxins more effectively. Furthermore, watermelon has a high citrulline content, which encourages the manufacture of arginine, a substance that relaxes blood vessels and supports normal renal blood circulation. Lycopene, a strong antioxidant that protects the kidneys from the damaging effects of free radicals, is responsible for the vivid red color of watermelon. If you want to keep your kidneys functioning properly and make sure you're getting enough watermelon in your diet, this is a smart choice. Let's delve deeper into the benefits of our ninth fruit. Blueberries, often regarded as a superfood due to their remarkable health-promoting properties, particularly for kidney health and the body's natural cleansing processes. Blueberries offer a plethora of advantages that make them a standout choice for kidney support. Rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, blueberries play a pivotal role in shielding your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. These potent antioxidants not only safeguard the delicate kidney tissues, but also help regulate blood pressure, a crucial factor in maintaining optimal kidney function. Furthermore, the flavonoids present in blueberries contribute to reducing inflammation and alleviating strain on the kidneys, promoting their overall health and efficiency. But the benefits don't stop there. Blueberries also possess anti-adhesive properties, inhibiting the attachment of harmful bacteria to the urinary tract walls and thus reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. Additionally, their low oxalate content makes them a valuable dietary choice for lowering the incidence of kidney stones, offering further protection to your renal health. Blueberries have been shown to be particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes, as they can help regulate blood sugar levels effectively. With their delightful taste and a wide array of health benefits, blueberries are not just a flavorful addition to your diet, but also a wise choice for promoting kidney health and overall well-being. Now let's move on to the 10th fruit, apples. These crunchy delights are not only a beloved snack, but also a boon for your kidneys. Apples boast a high water content, which not only helps keep your kidneys hydrated, but also aids in the efficient removal of toxins and waste products from your body. Studies have underscored the renal benefits of apples, highlighting their role in supporting kidney health and function. Furthermore, apples are rich in potassium, a vital mineral that supports kidney health without imposing an excessive burden on the kidneys. The moderate potassium content in apples helps maintain electrolyte balance and regulates blood pressure, key factors in ensuring optimal kidney function. Apples include dietary fiber, which helps with waste elimination and detoxification processes, as well as encouraging a healthy digestive system and lowering the risk of kidney stones. Apples are also a great source of important vitamins and antioxidants that shield your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, increasing their functionality and resilience. Incorporating apples into your diet is not only a delicious choice, but also a smart one for promoting kidney health and overall wellness. Before we wrap up, I'd like to express my gratitude to all of you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful and informative, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us continue creating valuable content for you. Stay connected with us for upcoming videos, where we'll explore more topics aimed at enhancing your well-being and knowledge. Thank you for being part of our community, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay blessed.